welcome to this first session of cartoon video animation on smartphone. And in this video we are going to be learning how to install and copy our files to the proper directories for Plotagon application. So we open our Z archiver here, which is the file manager you are going to use. So here is my Z archiver, so I can open it right here. So I launch the application. Then I will try to locate where my XAPK file is stored. That is under Xender. I sent it from my second phone to this tablet, so it's under Xender. So here is it here. Sorry, okay, I'm not there. Alright, so here I have my Plotagon story version 1.33.0 apkpo.com.xapk. So what is the meaning of xapk and what is the difference between an xapk and apk? Xapk is just like a special form of a file that contains the application, that is the apk, and the OBB file and the data file. So that is just the basic package of an application. That is the simplest form for which an application can be comprised. So let's say, for example, we have some applications for men. We have Dream League, which has OBB. So if you want to get Dream League on your phone, you have to install the OBB and copy it to the correct locations. So in this XAPK, we already have the OBB file. So if we just install this XAPK directly, then we will have our OBB files copied to the right direction, to the right directory, and to the right location. So let us just view this OBB file to see what we have there. So you just click on it, then you click on view. So can you see we have our Android here, OBB, then here is com.plotagon.plotagon, and here is the OBB file. So I'll just go back and then install this whole XAPK. So I click on it, just click on it, don't long press, just click on it, then click on install. So our OBB file is being installed. For the sake of the length of this video, let me pause it until it finishes installation. It is just a simple process, just like installing your normal APK. It takes a while, so don't be in a hurry. Be patient, so don't be in a hurry to cancel it. It takes a while for it to install. Remember, it is an XAPK, so it has to copy the files to the directories before it installs. Alright, so it will install in a moment from now. So the XAPK file has been installed successfully. So let us minimize our Z archiver and check it out if it has been installed. So I go to my apps and check out Plotagon. Alright, so here is the Plotagon here. Here's the Plotagon. So I can launch it. And when you launch it, you see something like downloading files. So it is going to download the files that you've launched. You wait for it to download. So let me just pause this video till it finishes downloading. It does not take up to a minute. And well, depending on the RAM of your phone, so it doesn't take long. Sometimes it's okay. Alright, so the files have been downloaded. That is, that's copied the files successfully to the OBB directory and to the data directory. So wait for the mobile application, this app to load. This is just the loading interface of Plotagon 3D animation app for smartphone. This is the interface. You see, mere looking at the interface, you could say what the app does. So you can easily say what the app does. So here is the interface. So I just quickly want to show you something before we install the mod, before we copy the files to the mod directory. So I want to show you the basic Plotagon APK so that you will notice the changes in the normal APK. So you go down here to the middle icon here. So you go down here to the middle icon. Sorry, there is a middle icon here. Okay, you see the middle icon here. My phone is activating the gesture bars. So you see the middle icon here, which looks like a video camera. So let us click on create a new plot, which is this yellow button up here. Or you can just click on this plus here. You can just click on this plus here to create your... Alright, so you just click on the plus here. So it is loading. Plotagon is a very heavy application, so it might take a while to load. Alright. So you can see, use the clap icon in the toolbar to add a new scene. So when it finishes loading, you use the clap icon to add a new scene. All right. So it is still loading. All right. So we can click on the clap icon, which is top here. We can click on the clap icon to add the scenes. And when this clap icon is being clicked, you will see this. It's like a frame. A frame. So you see that. Click on scene here. Scene. SCENE. Now you can notice that we have how many scenes here? We just have 5 scenes. The cave, the cafe, elevator, restaurant, TV sofa, and white room. So we just have 5 scenes here, and you know we might want to need the classroom scene, driving scene, different scenes. So we can't just be using these 5 scenes for everything. Let's, for example, you want to create a short movie with your 3D cartoons. You can't just be using the 5 scenes. All right, so let us go back to our Z Archiver. And before we do that, let us cancel this. Let us close this Plotagon application. So we are back at our Z Archiver. And then the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to copy the mod files into the right directories. So let us go to my Xender. It's not necessary your files are under your Xender, but mine are on Xender because I sent it from my other phone to this place. So other, then I will go to Plotagon new mod by cleon.zip. Here, I'll go to this place. Then I'll click on it. It's a zip file. So I'll click on it. And after clicking on it, I'll click on view. I just want to copy some things. So I will log press on those bundles. And after log pressing on it, I'll click on copy. When I say I mean you will also click on copy. So you go back to your internal storage under the emulated. Then you go to Android. Not .android. You go to Android. 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 That starts with capital letter A. So you go to Android. Click on Android. Then go to data. The first one, go to data, and then look for com.plotagon.plotagon, com.plotagon.plotagon. So we have it here. So I click on it. Then you click on files, and after clicking on files, then you click on this icon down here, this fab icon down here, this green one, to paste what you have copied from your so you see a dialog like this, and you just have to check this box, apply to all files, and then replace. So click it and then replace it. Keep the screen turned on. Then let me pause this video for the sake of the length of the video. So it has been copied successfully. We have copied our bundles, and the next thing we are going to copy is the character creator items. Yes, you'll be saying we have it here. Yes, we have it here, but remember that we just opened the basic application and we have just a little number of things here. So when you click on this character creator items and click on items, you can see accessories, and then you see limited accessories. When you're also editing your 3D cartoon, you will not have access to everything. Some things will be locked against you. So you just have to go back to your what. So I'm going to my Xender, and for you, you go back to where your files are installed. So you go back to where your files are installed, and I go back to my Plotagon new mod by cleon, view. Then I'll long press on this character creator items, copy the same way, go to Android. Where is Android? Okay, this is Android, and go to data again, com.plotagon.plotagon, you remember? Yes, com.plotagon.plotagon, files, then paste it. Same process, apply to all files, replace, soft. That is it. So I will also pause the video because it might take a while, not up to a minute though. Alright, so we have already copied our character creator items, and now let us cancel this Z archiver. Let us close it finally, and then go to our Plotagon. So go to our Plotagon here to check out what we've just copied, if it is really working. So let me pause the video for the sake of the length of the video, and then when it finishes loading, I'll show you. No hidden things. Alright, so here is our Plotagon, and we'll go to this place, the middle icon, and we'll click on plus. So it is loading. See, it takes a longer time to load here. You know why? It has gotten a bigger and larger stuff into itself. So you use the clapper icon to add a new scene as usual, and then we click on this scene here, and now you see the magic. Pam. What do you notice? We have a lot of what here? Uncountable number of scenes here. Can you see? We just mod the application. So that is just how to set up your Plotagon mod by Champion Lion, which you are going to be using for this 3D cat animation training. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.